Hey guys, soybean harvest has started here. It's the Tuesday before Thanksgiving. Feels pretty warm, like it's gonna be a warm day. So the sun's out, so we should be able to get some progress done. I don't know, I'd say they'd be finished by Thanksgiving. That's probably the goal. I have less bean acres than I had corn acres, so shouldn't take them too long at my place. I have the 685 hooked up to the header cart. I'll be taking that up to my neighbors when they're done here. This field's awfully rocky, so it's good to have a combine with a rock trap. Field is like a half, it's like a half circle, I guess. This edge is straight and then it just wraps around. Like I say, basically all the fields in this farm follow a contour. All of the ground just slopes right down that way. Like I say, it's well drained as far as the water, because like I say, it is sloped all in one direction. Down there you'll notice a little rise in the terrain. That is a little bit of a wet issue, or we have a wet spot there. We have some issues sometimes. And the beans are plenty dry too, so that's not an issue. So I'm gonna get some more shots from another angle.